In the previous section of this course, you learnt about the different layers of the Google Cloud infrastructure, including the categories of big data and machine learning products. In this second section, you'll explore data engineering for streaming data with the goal of building a real-time data solution with Google Cloud products and services. This includes how to ingest streaming data using PubSub, process the data with Dataflow, and visualize the results with Google Data Studio and Looker. In between data processing with Dataflow and visualization with Data Studio or Looker, the data is normally saved and analyzed in a data warehouse, such as BigQuery. You'll learn more about BigQuery in a later module. Coming up in this section, you'll start by examining some of the big data challenges faced by today's data engineers when setting up and managing pipelines. Next, you'll learn about message-oriented architecture. This includes ways to capture streaming messages globally, reliably, and at scale so they can be fed into a pipeline. From there, you'll see how to design streaming pipelines with Apache Beam and then implement them with Dataflow. You'll explore how to visualize data insights on a dashboard with Looker and Data Studio. And finally, you'll get hands-on practice building an end-to-end data pipeline that handles real-time data ingestion with PubSub, processing with Dataflow, and visualization with Data Studio. Before we get too far, let's take a moment to explain what streaming data is, how it differs from batch processing, and why it's important. Batch processing is when the processing and analysis happens on a set of stored data. An example is payroll and billing systems that have to be processed on either a weekly or monthly basis. Streaming data is a flow of data records generated by various data sources. The processing of streaming data happens as the data flows through a system. This results in the analysis and reporting of events as they happen. An example would be fraud detection or intrusion detection. Streaming data processing means that the data is analyzed in near real time and that actions will be taken on the data as quickly as possible. Modern data processing has progressed from legacy batch processing of data toward working with real-time data streams. An example of this is streaming music and movies. No longer is it necessary to download an entire movie or album to a local device. Data streams are a key part in the world of big data.